Hi kids, good morning. Welcome to our computer class. So now we are going to discuss the second lesson, parts of your computer. Okay. So a computer is an electronic machine. Okay. We have already discussed in last class, no? So a computer has four main parts. How many main parts? Four main parts. So what are the main parts? Monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU. So listen again one time. Monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU. So children, we have already discussed about monitor in last class, isn't it? So this is a picture of a monitor. See the spelling monitor, MONITOR, monitor. And this is a keyboard. This is a keyboard. Spell the word KEYBOARD, keyboard. KEYBOARD, keyboard. And this is a mouse. This is a mouse. MOUSE, mouse. MOUSE, mouse. And this is picture of a CPU. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. So children, are you clear what are the main parts? Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. So we have already discussed monitor, isn't it? So monitor looks like a TV. So monitor looks like a TV, no? So this is a monitor. And it displays what we are doing on the computer. Monitor displays what we are doing on the computer. If you type your name means the monitor will display your name. If you draw one picture means the monitor will display the drawing. Okay, are you clear what is monitor? And next, now we are going to discuss mouse. Okay, so look at the picture. This is a picture of a mouse. So first of all, mouse is a pointing device. Mouse is a pointing device. Do you know what is pointing? Point means select. Point means select. Okay, pointing means selecting. That is pointing. So mouse is a pointing device. A mouse has buttons on it. A mouse has buttons on it. So a mouse has some buttons. Okay. By pressing these buttons, you can select and open things on the monitor. By pressing these buttons, you can select and open things on the monitor. For example, if you want to select or open any file or documents means you can use mouse. Okay, do you know what is file? File means collection of informations. Okay, collection of information. Files means collection of informations. Okay, so if you want to open a file or documents means you can use mouse. Okay, then see, look at the picture. Now we are going to discuss mouse buttons. Okay, see, look at the picture. A mouse has three buttons. Okay, a mouse has three buttons. It means two buttons and center one wheel is there, that is scroll wheel. Left side one button is there, that is left button. As well as right side one button is there, that is right button. Okay, in center one wheel is there, no, that is scroll wheel. That is scroll wheel. Okay, this scroll wheel is mainly used to move the page up and down. Okay, this wheel mainly used to move the page up and down. Okay, so a mouse has two buttons and one scroll wheel. Left side button is called left button, right side button is called right button. In center one wheel is there, that is scroll wheel. So students, Are you clear? So, what is mouse? Mouse is a pointing device. Mouse is a pointing device. What is point? Point means select. Point means select. Okay. And the next one, keyboard. Next one, keyboard. Okay. Keyboard is an input device. This is also main part of your computer. Keyboard also main part of your computer. A keyboard has many buttons. Okay, a keyboard has many buttons. A keyboard has 104 keys on a keyboard. Okay, so do you know how many buttons are there in a keyboard? Yes, 104 keys. How many keys? 104 keys on a keyboard. Are you clear? These buttons are called keys. Okay, there are lot of buttons. No, these buttons are called keys. So, keyboard is mainly used to type with the help of these keys. Okay, keyboard is used to write or type with the help of these keys. Okay, so if you want to type your name, if you want to type your address, means you can use keyboard. You can use keyboard. Okay, so a keyboard has some keys. A keyboard has some keys. What are the keys? First one, alphabet keys. Second one, number keys. Third one, arrow keys. Fourth one, function keys. And the fifth one, special keys. Okay, so listen one time. A keyboard has some keys. What are the keys means? First one, alphabet keys. Second one, number keys. Third one, arrow keys. Fourth one, function keys. And the fifth one, special keys. Okay. So students, look at the picture. Now I am going to explain the keys. Okay. First one is what key? Alphabet key. So look at the picture carefully, students. Here some alphabet letters are there. There are not. Yes. Some keys are marked with red color. No, light red color. That keys all are alphabet keys. Okay, that keys all are alphabet keys. So this is alphabet keys. If you want to type your name, address, means you can use this alphabet keys. Okay, and the second key is number keys. Okay, see, look at the picture. Above the alphabet key, some numbers are given. No, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. These keys and all number keys. Okay, so these number keys are used to type the numbers. Okay, type the numbers. And alphabet keys are used to type words and letters, because alphabet means letters only. No, so alphabet keys are used to type name and words. Okay, and number keys are used to type numbers. Okay, type numbers. Okay, and the next one is arrow key. Next one is arrow key. So look at the picture. Here navigation black is there. No, navigation black. Here some arrow keys are there. Like look, listen. Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. These keys and all arrow keys. These keys and all arrow keys. And the next one, function keys. Function keys means function keys are marked with F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6 up to F12. See children, look at the picture. In the keyboard, some keys are marked with light green color. Marked with light green color. That keys are all function keys. That keys are all function keys. Okay. See, listen. F1, F2. These keys are all marked with light green color. No. These and all function keys. Okay. And the next keys are special keys. Next keys are special keys. See, listen, some lavender color. Have you seen the lavender color? Yes. This, some keys are marked with lavender color. No, that keys and all special keys like backspace, enter, shift, control, alt, caps lock, tab. These and all special keys. So children, are you clear? What are the keys? A keyboard has some keys, alphabet keys, number keys, arrow keys, function keys, special keys. Arrow keys are marked with red color and the number keys are marked with blue color. Okay, and the arrow keys are marked with some like orange color. Okay, and the function keys are marked with light green color. Okay, these and all function keys, and the special keys are marked with lavender color. So students, are you clear what is keyboard? Yes, keyboard is a input device. It is used to write or type data into the computer. Okay, it is used to type information. Okay, and the next one, CPU. See, look at the picture. This is CPU. This is your CPU. CPU also one of the main parts of the computer. Okay, one of the main parts of your computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. So CPU means Central Processing Unit. Okay, so listen the spelling. Central, 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 PROCESSING, Processing, UNIT, Unit. So CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, and it is the brain of the computer. CPU is the brain of your computer. Okay, CPU is the brain of the computer. Why CPU is the brain of the computer means CPU only can do all the calculations. Okay, CPU only can do all the calculation. That's why CPU is the brain of the computer. Okay, CPU helps a computer do different things quickly and easily. So CPU helps a monitor do different things quickly and easily. So students, are you clear what is CPU? Shall we revise once again? Okay, there are four main parts of your computer. First one, monitor. Second one, mouse. Third one, keyboard. Fourth one, CPU. Okay, this is your monitor. The monitor looks like a TV. Very good. Monitor looks like a TV. TV means televisions. Okay, and keyboard. Keyboard is used to type and write data or information. Keyboard is used to type data and informations. Okay, do you know how many keys are there in a keyboard? Yes, 104 keys are there in a keyboard. Okay, and the next one, mouse. What is mouse? First of all, you must know that mouse is a pointing device. Mouse is a pointing device. Don't forget, mouse is a pointing device. Okay, a mouse has two buttons and one scroll wheel. Okay, two buttons and one scroll wheel. So mouse is a pointing device. And the next one, CPU. Next one, CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Okay, Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of a computer. Okay, it is the brain of the computer. Thank you, students.